Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing all loose items so the frame can fold without obstruction. Next, detach any accessories, bassinets, organizers, or pads so they don't snag. Locate the center of the floor panel where the release button or strap sits. This is the key control. Press or lift that release firmly while keeping one hand on a corner to prevent sudden collapse. Doing this first shortens the process and prevents damage to fabric or joints as you move into the next steps. Once the center release is active, go to each corner and push the rail inward until you hear or feel a click. This disengages the locking mechanism. Make sure you keep light upward pressure on the center floor as you work. That gives room for rails to slide. Guide opposite corners together in a steady motion so rails align and fabric folds flat. Take your time. Rushing can pinch material or misalign hinges, so make sure each corner sits flush before moving to the final fold. You finish by bringing both long sides together, flattening the playard into its compact shape. If the model has a strap or carry bag, loop the strap around the folded unit and fasten, or slide it into the bag to protect fabric and corners. If it resists folding, stop and inspect the center latch and each corner lock. Debris or misaligned hinges usually cause the issue. Once secure, store upright or in your trunk. This keeps it stable and prevents unnecessary pressure on joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.